Okay, in this video I'm going to talk about two things. One is function, another one is file input output. See, the first bracket is an example of a function where a user defines a function with certain conditions and just runs a code. So when the function is called in the main, like for example this is void input and the function is called in the main, and when the function is called in the main, this runs, this whole code executes. And this is another function for the file input output. What this function does is that it opens a file called student marks and to write on it, and if it checks if the file is null, it prints an error message and exits. If not, it just returns file to the main function where it's called here. So in this input function, the user defines the program to prompt user to enter the student's name and student's mark. Right, when both input are given, the input are both printed out in external text file. This is the code to print out an external text file, and these both functions are called in the main. Right, so the user declares an integer variable number and a file variable pointer p. So he assigns p to that function file open, which opens a file called student mark to write in it, and he asks the user to enter the number of students. So when this number of student is given, this is then this value is then passed to this function, where for the number of students the loop runs and asks the user to enter the student's name and student's mark, and then the result is printed out in an external file. Okay, now I'm going to show you the output of this file. Run it. Say for example number of student is 1, right? And I press enter. Student's name, that's a random name. Student's mark, some random mark. Alright, so this external file is supposed to be out here. I'll show you. See, the output file is called student mark.txt. I'm going to click on it, and here the name is stored as htf and marker765 is the one that I inputted just now. That's all for this video. Thank you.